What's going on, guys? So we're here with our 2019 Dodge Challenger 1320, and we've just crossed the break-in miles enough to be able to use the drag features of the car. So today I'm going to show you how to use the line lock, launch control, and the trans brake. Okay guys, so we've passed the break-in period, so now we can use the drag features on our 1320. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Now down in your center console, you have this button called Super Track Pack. You hit that and you get your drive mode setups. Make sure you've got your drag mode set up the way that you'd like it. You can go back there. Now you've got a line lock on the left. Hit activate line lock control. Now you're going to get messaging in the cluster. So it's telling me apply brake pressure, put more pressure, press and hold the OK button on the steering wheel. Now it tells you can release the brake. So now I've got my foot completely off the brake. Apply throttle and it'll start to do your burnout. Let go of the OK button when you're done. And that's how the line lock works. So now to use launch control, you hit the launch control button in the bottom left, hit activate launch control on the right. It's going to come up on the cluster, say press brake and quickly apply full throttle. And you do have to do it very quickly or else it'll kick you out. So I got my foot on the brake, floor it. Now you hear the car's in the torque reserve mode. Let go of the brake and it launches. Just like that. So now lastly, how to use the trans brake. You're going to hit your drag button. It's going to bring up messaging in the cluster telling you the trans brake feature is enabled. You're going to pull back on both paddles, put your left foot on the brake, start to rev the vehicle up, let go of one of the paddles, let go of the brake, and then when you release the final paddle, that's when the car will launch. That last paddle is what you use to hold the car on the trans brake. You can actually start the process when you're pre-staged, so it makes it a lot easier for you when you finally get staged, which is based on experience. We haven't raced this car yet. We're going to in a couple days, but that's what I would do. Light the pre-stage bulb, pull back on both paddles, left foot on the brake, right foot on the gas. Then you can bring the car up to be finally staged by just letting off of the brake a tiny little bit, let the car roll forward. Once you're finally staged, release one paddle, release the brake. As soon as you see the green light, let go of the other paddle and you're off. I hope you guys found that video informative on how to use the drag features of your 2019 Dodge Challenger 1320. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we're going to have a ton of awesome 1320 content coming your way. Take care, and we'll see you guys in the next video.